Many of you are asking how to find a pleasant color palette to work with. Let me share one of the things that I do. One of the things I go to nature to get inspiration. If I find a picture that just is really pleasant on my eyes, that just reaches out and grabs me, then I'll choose it and open it up in Photoshop. Once in Photoshop, here's what I do. I go into the filter menu, pixelate, and do something called mosaic. And what that does is it will turn the picture into blocks of color. So I take it up quite a ways, so it's getting rid of all of the detail. Then I use the eyedropper tool and come over into my swatches, and I pick 2 or 3 of the lighter colors. I like that color, and you'll see that it put it in the swatches. There. I like that light blue, and that light blue, and that medium brown, and then I'll pick a couple of the mid-tone colors. I think I'll go for that one, and maybe just a touch of a green, and then I'll choose a couple of the really dark colors that I like. There I have a palette of colors, starting with this one that I really like and can use in whatever I want to do. All I have to do is just click on the color and it becomes the foreground color that I can paint with or fill in with over here. Hope that helps.